Shout out to John Weichsnar, JPW1116 on Twitter, for this idea. I changed a little bit, maybe hopefully improved on it a little bit with what I just had lying around for cleaning and directing the coolant cleaner when you're doing your Model 3 or your Model Y. The basic idea is you're going to create a device to better control the hose, which is kind of unwieldy, be able to direct it up and down and left and right within the cavity. I had a fly swatter handy, just took a screw, put it through this plastic lid, and drilled a hole in the side of the cup to feed through the coolant line. Use some Scotch tape to adhere everything down, and then you're just going to stick it into the cavity and wand it around in there, and it's going to direct all the foam out from the tube right into the condenser fins instead of back shooting it backwards. So you're going to get more effective use of your coolant and get much more of it onto the condenser fins. This is a view of the cavity a few minutes after I finished spraying the foam. You can tell I got good coverage top to bottom all over the condenser. Videos I see online where people just try and point the hose generally can't get a really good coverage, and this does an excellent job of covering your entire condenser coils. I highly recommend the Klima Cleaner Pro. It did excellent coverage in one full can. If you're interested, here's what Model 3 filters look like after 16,000 miles. They were honestly much cleaner than I would have anticipated. I probably won't do this again until 20,000, 24,000 miles maybe. I didn't have any smell issues as well. I just wanted to experiment with it and see how easy it was to do. I think this is a job that just about anybody can do themselves. Set aside a couple of hours. It always takes longer than you think. If you've never done this before, it's a little intimidating and frightening, popping off that side panel because you think you're going to break something, but I had no issues. Getting the clips off, figuring out how that comes off takes a little bit of time, but it's worth taking off the clips off of the cover because that gives you better and easier access, because it's really it's a bit of a contortionist to get up into that cavity. Go ahead and do it, save yourself some money, and bond with your car. You'll be glad that you did.